Model, 2015 Renault Kangoo 1.5 DCI 82 km spares OR repairs Gearbox issue. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 82,434. MOT, 12 March 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9K M8 E5-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is stuck in second gear, will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on